Hi, this is Anisha, and here I would like to share the features of a project management system, leadview 360. Here we have added really complex and amazing features. As you can see at the left panel, there are so many functions to perform. So let's discuss this one by one. Here in this section, user will be able to create as many as projects he wants. By providing the following details, user will be able to create a new project. Here user will find the listing of projects already he has created. Also, if they want to make any kind of changes in the project, then clicking on this edit icon, they can change and save those changes. Now, if we talk about this section, then this will allow user to create teams and different users. So going to this section, manage teams, user will be able to create different teams. Here I am creating a new team. As you can see, the team has been successfully. Now, if you go to this section, manage user, then admin will be able to add more users by providing the following details. From here, they can choose a team and add this user to that team. As we already have a listing of users here I'll show you some functions. Clicking on this, user will be able to set permission for that user, which will allow the user to do some specific jobs only. As you can see, here we can choose some jobs for that user and submit. Now when this user will log in from their account, then they will have the permission to access these functions only. From here, we can auto assign any job to that user. Choosing a tag, if any work related to that tag will come, then it will auto assign to that user. From here, user can choose IP address of any country, IP region, select language, and submit. Same way, user can edit the details he have already provided. Clicking on this, he can send the password to that email of the user, or if he wants, he can delete the existing user from the list. As you can see, that user is no more in the list. Now from this section, group, the admin will be able to create a group. As you can see, the group has been created successfully here. Now I would like to show you a really complex feature that we have created here in chat setup. Going to this section and scrolling down, the admin will find a source code of that chat setup, which he will be able to paste in any HTML file. So here we have already pasted this source code in this site. And as you can see, the chat setup has been appear here. Now if you will go to the visitor section of that site, then admin will be able to view the IP address of any user who is visiting the site. As you can see here, the visiting IP address this is my IP address. So this is how user will be able to track the user who is visiting their site. Now if I will introduce myself here by providing all of my details, then you will see the IP address will get transferred to this section, that is contact, and from here the user will be able to view all the details of the visitors, like the page he is visiting from that site. Here also we have made a tag scoring feature. If we will go to this section, tag, so here we have created some points such as PHP, Angular, so that when the user or visitor will visit these sections, then they will get the score based on that. And here in the contact section, if the admin will visit to the profile of that visitor, he will be able to view that scores. As we can see, the point for AngularJS was 2, so it's mean that the visitor has only visit this section one time. So this is how we can track the interest of any visitor, and based on that we can manage. Now here we have one more section, that is dashboard. Here we will be able to manage all the functions of a project. Here we can see the users, live visitors and contacts, users activities, site performance. We can grant tasks, opportunities to any user. Now going to this section, product, the user will be able to manage product, add so many products from here. Manage categories, terms, delivery methods, payment terms, payment methods, tags, and so many features are there. Also we are adding some more features such as lead box, custom field creation. We are working on this, so we can't show that to you. Once we are done, we can show that. So these were the overall feature of this site. Hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching this video.